yesterday I made a video on US 2000. It was the 2 bars back video, and I explained in that video that we can look for a trade today, Tuesday, going outside of Monday. It is expanding the range, it's going outside of the previous bar. It's doing it based off of a function that I teach you guys. I'm trying to get you guys to focus on this function. It is 1 bar, daily bar, 2 daily bars involved, 3 daily bars involved. I'll explain what that means later, but this is basically like a 3-day bar function. This doesn't even have to line up with the actual 3-day bar itself. So what I'm trying to do is show you, and I told you yesterday how this can come outside of this range right here of 2 bars back, right? I said it can trade off of the range from 2 bars back. I showed you in the video how this works. 2 bars back from this day, 2 bars back gave these levels and the previous day signal. You understand? Because of 3 bars making up a 3-bar function. So we're reading the first and the last and looking at this one in here as it's an intermediate level, just there as a, maybe you can view it like a placeholder or something like that, sort of, and then focusing on the outer edges of this function. Why? Because that's how it works, you big dummy. I've been trying to tell you the whole time. I also told you about Dogecoin 2 bars back. I showed you in the previous video as well, 2 bars back. We come down and we front ran it. I explained it in the video. We have a new week. Previous week's low broken, hit the level. That right there is valid for a push. And now we are new bar pushing outside of previous bar. 2 days back, 2 bars back. Boom. It took off. Dogecoin. Bitcoin, same thing. I explained in my video this was an inside day, so we can skip that and continue the count. So it will be the levels of this day. Don't count this day. This will be my middle day, and then that would give me the understanding of the signal at the bottom down there. If I take that fib off, you can see how I've drawn that level across and we hit it specifically. If you look at this current bar and we view 2 bars back, we also got that signal there, the low of 2 bars back, right? And then we've also got in the new day a bounce off the 75% from the fib pulled over from 2 bars back, or the high. Now here it is. You're gonna miss the trade because y'all think I'm bullshit, because I'm messing around and I'm BSing or whatever. So let's walk through this trade function right here that I told you yesterday was most likely to come. All right, let's go to the 1 hour time frame here. As you can see, 2 bar back level. Whoop, that's not the there we go. There we go. 2 bars back, right? Let's go to the 30-minute because everybody's pretty comfortable with the 30-minute, I believe. Even if they can't trade, they've seen it enough times to know. This right here, let's take that off real quick. So here we are, 30-minute, 2 bars back, right? Let's go to the 15-minute. 15-minute, 2 bars back right there. Huh? Right there. I'm showing you 2 bars back on the 15-minute for the blast off after 2 swing failure patterns, right? Come on now. I'm trying to tell you, but y'all making it hard on me. If you don't listen, I can't teach you. But if you listen, I can show you how to look for it. I can show you how to know this trade could have happened. And I told you that Tuesday could break out of it and pull back into it and drop down. Will this keep going? I don't know. I don't know. I have a good idea because I understand the weekly counts and I know what these weeks are attached to numerically. So I have a good idea of knowing where these levels are going to run from. So if y'all pay attention, I can teach you how to look for it. If you don't, well, I can't really teach you what you don't want to learn. You know what I mean? So if you're tired of not making it, well, try my new strategy. All right. All right. Come on now. You know you liking it. You sitting here. I know you liking it. You may not like it that I made a video on ICT or TJR. I ain't trying to make nobody mad there. I'm just trying to teach you how to read the market like a pro, right? I'm leading you to the functions. I'm leading you to the maths. If you pay attention and follow along, when I get to where I'm going, you are going to be able to understand the entire system. But I can't get you to do it if you don't listen to me. All right, pay attention, take notes. Watch the videos 1,000 times. I don't care. Share it with your buddies. Share it with ICT. He'd like it, I'm sure. All right. Y'all have a good one. Enjoy it. There's your trade, up and down.